Alright, it's 12:03, December 19th, 2008. Pretty good snowstorm that was going. About
December 20th, 2008, 6:16 p.m. It is a Saturday, and I'm looking at the warnings and advisories for Southwest Michigan. We're in Allegan County right about there. Right off to the right of 131, bottom right corner of Allegan County. December 20th, 2008. Right now it doesn't look like too much, but I guarantee that system right there is going to blow up as soon as it gets over the lake, and we're going to get a lot of lake effect snow. We should see tonight. There should be quite a bit. 7 to 12 inches is what they're predicting right now, so we'll see.
Alright, it's 11:32 a.m., December 21st, 2008. We're near blizzard conditions. Not quite good enough, but got a fair amount of snow, about 16.5 inches of snow.
It's pretty sweet out. Hear this a little better. Yeah. Deserted this time of day.
You good? We also got some really nice wreaths out front if you're interested.
We're over at Plano High School's parking lot. A blizzard. Getting a little bit of footage here. Wind's blowing about 25-30 miles an hour. Less lake effect snow.
It's going crazy right now.
Yeah, no.
There's like 6 in a row.
One at the dead center of the screen.
Boom. Got a pretty nice one. December 27th, 2008. Got a little bit of snow on the ground, but we got a thunderstorm coming in. And yesterday, it was about 20 degrees. Today, it's about 50 already. Ooh, shouldn't have put it down. There's a fog rolling off. Ooh, it's getting